Stuck in your room, it's 12:30, hungover Sunday with nothing to do. The blinds are drawn, the sun's coming through, shines on your face, what a beautiful view. No, I'm not leaving soon.
Made a home in a basement. Still not very used to talking to a camera, but I'm heading to school now. I don't know whether I should tie up my hair or I should let it down, but we will see about it. Gonna go back and visit the chef and some of my friends who are doing the bread making course. Was I too close to the camera? Is this better? I can't tell. Okay.
Some nights I even call your name. It doesn't matter who's to blame.